Yo, what is going on guys, Fraser here. So today actually marks the 12th day that I've been promoting this new system called Suffice, and I'm absolutely blown away by the results that I've been able to achieve. So what I want to do is just really shoot this like really raw, uncut video and show you guys my back office and show you the results that I've been able to achieve in the last 12 days. So if we come over here, this is the login page of Suffice. So if we log in over here, might want to click the button for, there we go. Sign in up here. Wait for this goodness to load. Alright, and here we are. Inside the back office, as you guys can see, $60,865, which it blows my mind that I've achieved that in 12 days. But also, just to be transparent with you guys, as you can see today we're at over $1,600, as you guys can see there. But as you can see the transactions here, this is money I've been taking out every single day, which I've been selling for Bitcoin and then selling that for cash, going straight back into my bank account. So to be honest, right, if you really want to cut through all the nonsense online and you simply want to get results, you need to plug into Suffice, right? So if you want to start making money by working less actually and just basically leveraging this amazing system that we have right here with Suffice, then what I invite you to do is click the button underneath this video. That's going to take you to another video of me where I'm going to show you how to get set up with this entire platform, and it'll also show you how to plug into all the team resources, the team bonuses that we have for when you join our team. We're talking Telegram chats, we're talking Facebook groups, we're talking membership sites, traffic rotators. We drive traffic for you to help you get the sales. Alright, so this is the perfect hands-off business that's going to allow you to make money so you can live whatever lifestyle it is that you desire. So if you're serious about creating income online and you really want to do this, you're serious, you want to cut through all the noise, click the button underneath this video and I will see you on the next page.